welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I did this really nice flawless glueless install. This wig is actually from Lumiere Hair. They sent me a 22-inch 13 by 4 body wave lace frontal wig. It is a Swiss lace actually, and I'm really liking how this wig is looking. It turned out beautifully. The curls are gorgeous, and I definitely am gonna just hurry up and show you guys how I did this. But before I do, if you'd like to purchase off rip, I'm just telling you guys, off rip, the hair is not super thick where it's crazy thick. It's really just full, and you can run your fingers through it. Like, this hair is amazing. No snags, no tangles, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you'd like to purchase it, the links will be in the description box for you to do so, as well as coupon links and a whole bunch of other links to other products that they have on their website. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's just jump into the video. this is the wig. It's from Lumiere Hair. They sent me a 22-inch 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, and this is just what the curls are giving. I haven't worn curls in so long, so I'm definitely getting used to having curls back in. I'm definitely gonna go in and spruce it up a bit, probably go ahead and curl it all over again, because I love the layers that I put in the hair. It definitely gave the hair, you know, some body to it, some texture, waves, and I'm here for it. This wig is actually really full. It's not too thick or thin to the point where you're like, wait, what? These curls are definitely gonna fall and give you natural. They're not gonna just fall and give you waves or straight, and I love that. The layers that I put in this hair is just giving the hair so much character. Like, I'm looking at it in the mirror and the camera, and it's just giving. I love it. I love curls because I play with them all day. And yeah, so if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous wig from Lumiere Hair, the links will be in the description box. To do so, don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is at She's Your Fave, so I could show you guys how this wig looks on in some pictures. And I think that's it for today's video, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.